Hey guys, it's Joe's Tutorials and Reviews here, and today we're going to be teaching you guys how to use the green screen effect in OpenShot. To just start out, you want to drag and drop two files. One of those files is the background you want to use, which could be a video or it can be an image, which I will be using an image today. And then you also want the little video. You want to have a green screen effect. So you just want to drag and drop this little video, and then you want to put this background video right under this. It doesn't matter what track you put it on, as long as this green screen file is above the track with the background, so that you'll be able to actually see it, or else the file will be under the background image, which is not what you want. After that, you want to click on the Chroma Key, drag the Chroma Key, and then just drag it and drop it under the green screen. Then you'll see a green C. You then can double left click that, and then you'll see that you can change the properties of this little green screen. Then you want to go to Color Key by double left clicking it, and then you want to pick Color Screen, which is picking the background color you want to use, or picking the green screen color you want to use, which I'll just click this right here, and then I'll press OK. And as you can see, the green screen effect is working, but it's currently like not in detail. That's because the fuzz level is really low. So what I usually recommend is 190, which I'll do right there. But as you can see, there's a little bit of green right there. To put less green on that, you can just increase it over and over again so you get the perfect amount. Usually I'll recommend about 300 for this one, which you can see almost barely any green, so we can just implement maybe like 1. And yeah, that's about as close as we're gonna get. So as you can see, now that this is all fixed, you can see how the green screen is working with the background image. So if you did like this video, please leave a like and also subscribe. We're at 22 subscribers as of making this video, and that would really help the channel out. And I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.